Hey, Rich Motts here. Wanted to remind you it's only 9 weeks until we have our next Ninja installation. So it's coming Tuesday, March 10th through Friday, March 13th. And you see all these posters. This is a detailed poster that you have in your offices about all the logistics of the class, the 31 hours of continuing education, the cost, payment plans, things like that. And you see these other flyers around your office. So only 9 weeks until Ninja. And here's something very essential, is you can actually go to an Eventbrite site and sign up for Ninja. And there's 4 different payments that you can do. You can pay now for $750. The cost of Ninja is $750, 4 full days of great training that will change your real estate career. Or do a partial payment plan where you pay $350 up front, then $100 from your next 4 closings, or deduct a full amount from your next commission. You can choose that as a third option here. Or the fourth option is deduct $350 from your next commission and then $100 from your next 4 commissions. So we're very flexible on payments here. It's going to change your career. Definitely sign up for Ninja here coming March 10th. Only 9 weeks away. I'm going to count down the weeks. Next week we got some great success stories coming. And again, you can sign up here for chat. Go on chat and search Ninja, and it will give you this full poster with the details and the Eventbrite site. So I'll also get the Eventbrite site below the video here for you too. Okay, thanks so much everyone. Remember, Ninja, 9 weeks away.